Pictorial representations of motion have to do with motion diagrams, and there's very simple rules as you got in the previous video. So you always draw the velocity arrow in the direction of motion, and then there are four types of motion. So no motion, acceleration is 0. Constant speed, acceleration is 0, regardless of which way the object is moving. Increasing speed, acceleration arrow points the same direction as motion, and decreasing speed, the acceleration arrow points opposite direction from the velocity arrow. So it's really simple to do. So in number 1, it says you watch a car move to the right, so the velocity arrow has to move to the right. And then there's 3 choices. If it's at constant speed, increasing speed, or decreasing speed. So constant speed would show acceleration equaling 0. Increasing would show acceleration pointing the same direction as velocity. Decreasing speed would show acceleration pointing opposite the direction of velocity. And that's as much as you can say because they don't give you any more information. Suppose the positive axis of a one-dimensional coordinate system points east. How does the motion of a car traveling west change? So this traveling west, what that tells you is that the velocity arrow points west. So here's the first piece of information, positive points east. Then you know velocity points west, which means the velocity sign is negative. Then they tell you acceleration is positive. Now when these point opposite, that's decreasing speed. So this is how you put it together. It's a really great little tool that's really simple. So make sure that you're getting these rules down and not trying to memorize. So traveling to the left means velocity points to the left. Decreasing speed means that your acceleration points opposite velocity, which means it points positive. A skier moving decreasing speed up an incline. Here, up an incline means that your velocity arrow points up. Decreasing is going to tell you acceleration must point down. So velocity points up the incline, acceleration must point down. So this is positive, that's negative. It's like taking the coordinate system and just putting the whole thing on a tilt like this. Like this is positive y and that's positive x. We do that a lot. A car moving to the left, slowing down. Happens to be 3 slowing downs in a row. So you're moving to the left, so your velocity points to the left. You're slowing to a stop. Acceleration must point to the right. Put the correct signs. And last example, if it's without changing speed, that's constant. If you're traveling north, velocity points north. We're going to make that positive according to our coordinate axes. And whenever you're not changing your speed, you have no acceleration. And that's how you draw motion diagrams and assign the signs.